All right. So in the next couple minutes, I am going to show you guys how to launch a successful cell phone repair business within 30 days. This is the iPhone Repair Academy free training that you got signed up for. So before we get started, a little bit about me, right? Now, in the photo on the right, you see me when I was working a full-time job as oh, get ready for a long title, City Gold Private Client, no, City Gold Private Client Relationship Manager Associate. That was my title. The job paid me over 70,000 a year. I was well paid, making a decent living, but I was very stressed. I was stressed out at work, and you could see it in my face. I was super skinny. I wasn't eating good. I wasn't sleeping well. I wasn't working out. I just wasn't taking care of myself. And then on the left, I have a lot more meat on my bones. Even grew a full beard. Looking healthy, getting sleep, well rested. This is my family. They are the reason that I go so hard the way that I do. They motivate me every day. They inspire me every day, and I love them. I want to make sure that they're happy. I want to make sure that they're taken care of, and I want to make sure that they never have to work a day in their lives unless they choose to do so. I think family is very important. So, I mean, knowing why you're doing something is important, not just family. It's important to know why you're doing something, not necessarily relying on that reason to push you forward, but it's important to have something to push you forward. And then in this photo, you're going to see me back in January 2017. This photo is very, very important to me. It means a lot because this is when my this is when I had the idea to start this business. I went to go see a family member in the hospital. They were sick. They were passing away. And when I told my boss what I was doing, that I was visiting my family in the hospital and why I was there, he asked if I was coming into work that day. It really, really got me furious, so much so that I ended up leaving the job a year later. Don't know why I waited so long. Well, I know why I waited so long. You need the money at the time. But I grinded really hard, and I spent the next 3 years building up my business so that I never had to deal with any type of nonsense like that ever again. Nobody should have to deal with that. Moving on to happier times, I'm going to talk to you guys about income potential. So in July of this year, 2020, I made a gross profit of 6,000. That doesn't include any phone sales or anything like that. That's strictly screen repairs. Now on the right, you see my student. He went on vacation. He took his phone repair stuff with him. He ended up replacing screens. Got 100 profit each. He was just sitting on the beach and chilling, relaxing. Get you a side hustle. Now, I don't show you any of this to brag or boast. I show you this because I want you guys to see the income potential in this business. This gentleman, Chris, he took the course with his 17-year-old son. They fixed 6 phones, and they're going to start buying phones to repair and resell. That's called phone flipping. That's also another aspect of the business that you can do if you don't just want to focus on doing repairs for customers, and I can help you guys with that as well. I've been phone flipping for a little over 3 years, so I'm very knowledgeable about it. Rafael dos Santos. I'm about to say De Los Santos. He got started, was very nervous initially, but he was able to get the phone open in less than 15 minutes. Very happy with the course. You can see his toolkit, his suction cups in the corner, and then in the picture, he's holding the phone up to show you that he's inside of it. That's so dope. So awesome. Another very important aspect of getting your business up and running in 30 days is going to be building capital. If you have no money, I recommend that you use devices around the house to flip or ask family and friends for devices that you can repair and they can pay you a fee. That's how I got started. I didn't have any money when I started the business. I was one of the people that got started with $0. I flipped an old device that I had around the house. I sold that for 200. I used that money to buy some broken screen. Well, not I used that money to buy some screens. I posted advertisements on Craigslist, and I had a couple of people contact me that they needed repairs. We met up at their local coffee shop. We met up at the police station. I did the repairs. I ended up turning that $200 into $400, and I kept reinvesting it, doubling it, flipping it, doubling it, flipping it. And if a customer had a phone that I didn't have parts for, I just didn't reply to the message. So you don't have to worry about that. People ask me that all the time. What do I do if I don't have the part in stock? Just ignore it. Or you could take a deposit. But I like to keep these simple, so I just don't respond. Mentorship. It's important that you guys have mentorship, so I will be working with you as a mentor. We'll do Zoom chats weekly in the near future, but for right now, it's going to be once a month. But you guys have access to me daily via the DMs. Once you get the training, you can send me a message whenever you get stuck or you need help. The easiest way to reach out is in the chat. We have our own private chat community because I do get a lot of direct messages, but the chat community is exclusive for the course members. So any messages that I get in there will take priority. You guys can join that. It doesn't cost any extra to join. Once you've taken the course, you get lifetime access to the course. You also get lifetime access to our private Slack group. Connections. You're going to be able to have access to multiple connections in our private community. The private community is where it's at. We have over 600 techs in the group. These are like-minded individuals, and as you know, you are the 5 people that you keep closest to you. So you want to make sure that you're with these top performers and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals so that you can continue to learn and grow. The marketing. This is my favorite part. Super easy. I show you guys exactly how to do marketing on Craigslist and other sites. But honestly, with Craigslist alone, you can make a killing with the marketing and getting leads and lead generation. I show you guys exactly how to make the ads, how to use a copy and paste methods so you won't have to struggle in terms of getting leads. And I'll even help you guys make the ads and provide templates as well in the near future. Experience. I'm going to help you jumpstart your phone repair business by showing you what not to do. And I'll even show you what to do. I show you guys step by step exactly how to do the repairs in the training. I don't hold anything back. I'm going to help you guys obtain practice devices. You could get a practice phone on eBay, Craigslist, multiple sites. I show you guys exactly where to get the starter tools from, and I provide direct links in the course so you don't have to spend hours, months, and years searching for them. And if you look here, we get everything for just about under $50. And this is if you don't already have a device at home that you need to repair. If you do, then you just get the $20 repair kit and you'll be good to go. Top-down view. The way that I train, I teach you guys in a top-down view setting. What that means is that I'm going to be showing you the repairs as if you were doing them yourself. So it'll be very easy to follow, very easy to view, very easy to learn. Now with that ends our keynote presentation. I hope you guys found value in the video. At this point, you're probably going through the checkout process. You can feel free to check out the testimonials, the Yahoo Finance. I was featured in Yahoo Finance because of the success of our company. Very thrilled about that. Going to be in Forbes next year. We have a lot of big things coming. Like I said, I'm going to help you guys learn and grow. I'm here. You have access to the community. Don't hesitate to ask any questions or reach out once you got signed up. If you need anything, I'll be here for you. I'm your mentor. I'm going to make sure that you're successful in this business. And you have a money-back guarantee if you're not 100% satisfied with the service that I give you and the training. So you have nothing to lose. I'm here to help you. I want to see you win. I love you guys. I appreciate you tuning in. I want to say that I'm proud of you for making the decision to stick with me and learn how to make money doing something different than what you're used to. So with that, best wishes. My computer's about to die, so peace out.